and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to be making some brownies. Somebody had shared with me on YouTube, my YouTube channel. They gave me this brownie mix to try, so here we go. We're going to try it for you. Well, let me give you the recipe, okay? And you guys can follow this recipe. I'm going to be making it a little bit bigger because I have a bigger pan. Okay, here we go. It's 2 1/4 cups of quick oats, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of chia seeds, and that's optional, but I'm going to use flaxseed milk. A 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 egg, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And you set your timer for 350, your oven on for 350, which I already did that, and you bake it for 15 minutes in a 9x9 pan. Okay, so now I'm going to be making it in a 13x9, so I am adding what I need to add to make a 13x9 pan full of brownies. And I also will not be using the egg, I'll be using flaxseed milk. So I'm replacing the egg with flaxseed milk, which is 1 tablespoon to 3 tablespoons of water makes 1 egg. Okay? So here we go. So I got my quick oats in there, and I got my white sugar in there because I don't have brown. Hopefully that won't make too much of a difference. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, which I'll put 3 because, like I said, I'm making a little bit more cocoa powder. And the flaxseed milk. Okay. Like I said, you'll want, this is optional, 1 teaspoon of this, but for my egg you got to do 1 tablespoon with 3 tablespoons of water. So I'll go ahead and make my egg up right now. So I'm going to add my egg, my vanilla, and my unsweetened applesauce, just opening it, and I'll add 3/4 of a cup. Calls for a 1/2 cup, but I'm making a little bit more here. 1 1/2 cups, so I'll put 2 cups of milk in. 1, 2. Now in my brownies, I'm going to add some of my mini chips to my sweets. I like them in my brownies. Okay. And then I'm going to put some pecans. So I like pecans. There we go. And that's it. And I told you before that I'll be doing a lot of recipes that I add things to and I take away things from, because I like to experiment. Sometimes it's gotten me in trouble. Sometimes I've had to throw away the whole thing, but that's how you learn. I love wild blueberries, so it'll taste good in the brownies. It'll be really good. Okay, so this is basically oatmeal, so there's no flour in this. So this would be kind of something that if you're a diabetic, instead of the sugar, maybe you could just put a little stevia in, because I've done that before. But we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Okay, we'll take out our brownies and see how good they are. I'm sure they're gonna be delicious. Oh, look at how pretty. Okay, thanks Charity for the recipe. We're gonna sit down and enjoy our brownies. Have a wonderful day. Bye.